Has your child come home from school and said something like, "I'm so stupid"? You got to nip that in the bud. Kids can get themselves into a pattern early on with negative labels. They can convince themselves that they can't do something. And research shows it impacts their learning. So here's some ideas on how to respond. I call it the Apple approach. It's really just an acronym I came up with so that I could remember, but it works like this. You start with acknowledging. Let them know, yes, school can be hard. I too struggle with learning new concepts, but it's all part of growth. Praise their effort over the outcome. Let them know you see that they're trying hard and that you appreciate that they care about their schoolwork. Provide them with resources. Kids really struggle when they think they have to do these hard moments alone, so let them know they can go talk to their teacher. You're here to provide extra practice, and hey, there's some great resources out there like learning games and workbooks that can provide lots of fun ways to practice. But most importantly, let's help our kids learn more positive ways of self-talk. I can't wait to tell you more about that in my next episode. I have all kinds of good ideas. Lastly, help kids set realistic expectations. Learning is a process. Some concepts are just going to be easier to learn than others. Talk to them about that. So next time your child comes home and says something like, "I'm so stupid," turn that negative self-talk into positive self-action. Think the Apple approach.